Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's the King Son coming at you with another video. Just thank you for all y'all love and support so far as I started the channel. And in this video, I'm basically gonna be, in the next couple videos, I'll be getting into like what I call my testimony, the testimony of my life and where I'm at in life right now. And the reasons why I feel like I would like to put out the content that I put out, and the reasons why I love to put out the content I put out, because I want to see somebody else be able to strive and get to where I'm at. Even in a storm, I'm still blessed. So it's like, and my storm was my biggest blessing, if that makes sense. So as I explain that, I'm gonna be explaining it over the next few videos, and that'll be called my testimony. That video, I'll name it my testimony. And just go in there and just look and listen to the things that I share with you. And if you feel blessed by it, you can do feedback. I'm quick to respond to you, so I always respond. But God has done a lot for me. I came from a lot of things, and I'm in a different zone of life right now, all because of God. And that's why I know God is powerful. That's why I know He's all powerful, and He's all loving, and He's full of mercy, full of truth. So find your truth today. To find your truth, you have to find God. He'll lead you to your truth. And it starts with the Bible, and it starts with praying, and it starts with the changing in the way we think. So on these videos that I'm gonna be sharing over the next couple days, try to really lock into those and be able to listen. And I'm gonna share my testimony. I'm transparent. I'll be totally honest about things if you ask me things. And it's nice to see like feedback on my channel, because that makes me keep going. And I'm gonna share anyway, because I know if it affects one, then it can affect many. So the one message that I'm gonna be telling is like about myself, so y'all know a little bit about me, my background, where I'm from, stuff like that. All right, till next time, y'all.